Hi students, welcome to PRS-COMMERCE Media. Today in this section, I have brought forward your economics 80 marks question paper because most of the colleges tomorrow the economics paper is there for first PUC. So this is a model question paper. If you refer this question, most probably 60% of the questions will be arising from this only. Here I am explaining the pattern also in which way the question paper is going to come. In part A, you'll be getting 4 sections. One is choose the correct answer, fill in the blanks, match the following, and one word answers. And choose the correct answer. The first question is alternative uses of the resources give the race problems of rights, price, choice, and chance. The frequency polygon is used for the presentation of ungrouped data, group data, both type of data, none of this. Percentile divide the distribution equal to 100 parts, 75 parts, 25 parts, 50 parts. What percent of GDP as estimated by Tapas Mazudar Committee should spend for the education? 4%, 6%, 8%, 5%. Most of the agricultural laborers are rich, middle class, poor and upper class. Now fill in the blanks. In the fill in the blanks they give the answers. You need to choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Questionnaire 1921 carbon dioxide data, 1958 frequency array. The frequency distribution of descript variable is called dash. Survey helps to determine the method of collection of dash. 8th, the dash is the year of second stage of democratic transition of India. The 9th question is thermal power plant emit large quantities of dash. And the great leap forward a champion was initiated in the year a dash. Next, the match the following. Part A, personal interview, Prime Minister, API, World Bank, Golden Evolution. Part B, fruit production, India and the knowledge economy, chairperson of the planning committee, more expensive, agricultural price index, global sector. Answer the following questions in one word sentences each. Expand IBRD. What is correlation? Why did the colonial government ban canal transport? Give the meaning of sampling error. What are capital goods? Part B, 2 marks question from part book 1, that is statistics. What are the types of classification of data? What are the types of measures of central tendency? Calculate the value of the median from the following figures. What's the wholesale price index? Write its drawbacks. Write any 4 steps in developing a project. In the 4 sentences, any 3 questions you need to write from the 5 questions. From the part B book, that is Indian economy, the 4 sentences, 2 marks question. Why the state had to play an extensive role in promoting industrial sector? Mention 4 objectives of liberalization. How many lenders exploited the rural farmers? Mention the benefits of organic farming. Give the meaning of liability indicator. What are the services of outsourcing? Part C, 10 to 12 sentences, each carries 4 marks. You need to write 2 from part A book. Briefly explain how the statistics help in study economics. Write a note on classification of data. Draw a scatter diagram and conclude about a correlation. Calculate the index number from the following data of Lespios method. This is from part A book. And from part B book for 4 marks, you need to write any 4. What do you understand about drain and Indian wealth during colonial period? Explain the goals of 5-year plan. Explain about the need for on-the-job training for a person. Explain the major problem of rural development. Give the reason for slow growth and re-emergent poverty on Pakistan. List out the economic activities of different sectors. From part D for 6 marks. From part 1 book, the following table shows the enrollment of the gender of the school children aged 6 to 14 in a distant of the Bihar. Draw the component of bar diagram by using this data. Calculate the arithmetic mean by the direct assumed mean step deviation method of the following: 40, 50, 55, 78, 58. Any one question you need to answer. And in the same way, in the book 2, that is Indian economy, explain the measures taken by the government to improve the agricultural marketing system and what role does the government play in generating an employment and opportunities in India. discuss. Part E consists of an practical oriented question, that is project oriented question. You need to write any two which carries 5 marks. Suppose if you are a research student and you are asked to conduct a sample survey about the midway meal program in school, prepare a good questionnaire to support your survey. Identify the formal and informal workers in the following: a petty cash owner, SBI cashier, government hospital nurse, tailor, police, handloom weaver, a street vendor, a government primary school teacher, revenue inspector, agricultural labor. Identify the following banks in agricultural industry: nationalized, private and foreign banks: ICICI, Canara Bank, HSBC, IDBI, NABARD, etc. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. In the next class, I will be bringing the business studies 80 marks model question paper for the next exam. Thank you.